Today's date is February the 25th, 2023, and the time now is 10:37 a.m. We are here at 282 Stalwart Zimalani, Durban Central Police Station, to take the oral evidence of retired Detective Sergeant Lekutukula Tulu Dlamini in the matter of PC case 0780/2023. Meneer Dlamini, over the next few hours, I'll be leading evidence and asking you questions and trying to get clarity on specific points. I also want to read out to you a section of the police oath, if I may.
Okay.
We will act honestly and responsibly in all situations. We will always tell the truth, perform our duties with noble motives, and set an example in the communities we serve. Do you know this?
If you say it's from the SAPS oath, then yes, I do.
Yes, well, I can assure you that it is.
If you say so.
Do you feel it is your duty to act with honesty and to always tell the truth?
Yes.
Okay, I see you're no longer a member of the service. Do you still adhere to those values?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. I want you now to clearly take me through your version of events.
I wanted to be a father. Let's do it.
Okay.
Uzongilinda wena.
Of course, I'll always wait for you.
Then I'll always come home to you.
Try look. Mnandi.
Where'd you get this?
Lapha ekhoneni. Ilo sala.
Detective Sergeant Dlamini osanda kuretire ngithi
Ubani obuzayo?
Mseshi uDuma Crime Intelligence.
Mseshi.
Hey. Umnandi ka early retirement. Zinto ziyashalela.
Ngiyabonga.
Ndoda. Asixoxe.
Do you mind if sikhulumela ngaphandle? Angifuni ukumphazamisa la.
Okay. Ngiphethe investigation la enegama lakho.
Ngobani?
Ngoba if there was a file enegama lami ngizofuna ukwazi. Ngiphinde ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi someone has my back.
Yilokho kwenzayo. You have my back.
Ngifuna uyithathe uyifunde.
Hayi. Ngoba kwenze njani?
Because I want to know if you have my back.
Your back kanjani?
Okahle. Mangathiwa kuna something engifuna ukuthi ungenzele yona. Ungayenza?
Ngenze ini?
Lalela. Ngifuna usebenza indaba la. Yomuntu na something yami ngakuwena.
Ini?
Cellphone yami. Enezinto ezibalulekile. If uyayithola le phone, destroy it. Make the problem go away.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay. Ngizofunda la. Ngibuyele back kuwena kusasa.
Uzama kusasa.
They want my advice on the case. But I told them only this once.
Tula, this has to stop.
I know.
Do you? Yazin, ngiyolala.
Yini?
Awulibambi ngani ucingo?
Wehlengiwe. Bangithi ngibusy.
Well, uma ungekho busy, someone just broke into the house.
Baby.
In here. Right, abathathanga lutho.
Yeah, at least.
At least one. Ulethe le ndoda la endlini and then this happens.
Oh, man. I'm dealing with it. Umbiko lo.
Umbiko uthini?
Umbiko wami.
I just want to know that I'm not making a mistake with you.
Baby, thank you. I'm dealing with it.
Ima. Ngiyazi uzoyifaka enkingeni futhi. But before you make an important decision, cela ubuke lokho. Ufake ephaketheni okwamanje. Hayi manje.
This whole thing is my mess. Why ungayi ekhaya? Uzoba safe. Ngizosala ke mina ngidile nalento le.
Esithando sami, angiyindawo mina. Inkinga yethu sobabili lena.
What if lento yenzeka futhi? Oh God forbid oyedwa wethala imali.
Then I know you'll make a plan to keep us safe.
Ubani igama?
Ngutha.
Thami. Kunobala endlini.
Awusona.
Khuluzini.
Awuzutho buta. Angithula nganisi.
Sasibini isilimo. La TV entshotho.
Kata imama la divorce yaboso. Bethizile nje ukuthatha impahla zawo la endlini yabona.
Oh, yabheda wena. Captain, I'm at the scene of a homicide. Yeah, I have the suspect in custody. Hold on. We're in the pit. Hold on.
Oh, buta. Akekho omunye umuntu engibhala naye kodwa ngiyamazi obulela. Uwani.
Ngiyafuna ukwenza 5,000.
Kavuma same time.
Uvuma kanjani isipani ungazisani?
I'm from the street, bruh. Nginguwo sani.
Okay. And then?
Ekusel, athi ngifojela lapho sikhipha.
Huh?
Ngathi ngifojela lapho sithini.
Hayi cha.
Aw, simawa.
Thame. Uyabona lento la kule phone le. Uma ingabona abantu abaningi izolahlekelwa yinani.
Aw, Ekusel. Nangu lo queen. Good. Hello.
Hi. Is it Wandile?
No, I'm Tammy. My associate is Wandile, but we call him Once.
Wandile.
Debs.
Do you have it?
You first.
So everything's perfect now. We can proceed.
I'm happy to proceed.
Mbali. Baby. Debs lo. Debs. This is Umbali, my wife.
Debbie. Hi. Asikhuluma babe. Oh, phazela ifoni yami. Something wrong?
No, relax, madam. Mrs. Everything is fine. Lento lesiyithatha kabi.
Hey! Kuzomela ukuchaza.
Njani?
Chaza!
Lalela. Uyabona usistep lapha. Ufuna ukusifaka emalini yabo. So manje uzivoice yakho online. Manje ufuna senza amabhizinisi, gig stuff yonke.
Ifoni yami ingena lapha. Ingena ifoni yami lapha.
Ifoni. Mana kancane.
Hey, wena Bandile, wenza! Yawan!
Haw, manje Erazo, manje 5,000 wami? U5,000 wami?
Le phone. Ibinani?
Angazi.
Iphi?
Angazi nami.
I'm outside.
I'm at Boomgate. You'll see me waiting.
My family are here. I hope you don't mind if we don't go. I mean, if we meet you
I
outside.
completely understand.
If it's too good to be true, it probably is.
Hold on.
Right?
Hold on. Hi, I'm Tula, retired detective at SEPS. I'm here in my personal capacity.
Advocate Debbie Munsami, good to meet you.
Advocate Munsami.
Please call me Debs.
Okay. Where were you yesterday morning between 11 and 12?
That's what I was saying. I got into a little argument because if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Right?
One day.
Deborah.
Sami! Wehlisa umsindo lapho.
I'm fine.
I'm sorry, eh?
I said I'm fine.
Oh, my bad. So, Deborah, as you can see, this is a BMW. Ithemba lamakhomosho. Abolove bayibiza insimbi egebengu. Be my wife. Full service history. By the way, the previous owner was a woman.
Nice.
So, did you know that this model...
Who's playing?
Yeah?
What music is playing?
It's his song. With Umbali. It's fine, eh?
Oh, it's gold.
Oh yeah, the beat is mine. Do you like it?
No. The voice. She has a beautiful voice.
I got you.
Hey, I just replaced the cam belt.
I apologize for this. Is she signed to a record label?
Well, I think you can ask her that for yourself.
Can I meet her?
Hi, kahle, sorry, madam. Mrs. What are we doing here?
Here I am. Is there someone out there? Is somebody out there? I wish you would come. Is there someone out there? Is somebody out there? I wish you would come. I wish you would come. Here I am. Oh, here I am.
Bravo. The whole world has to hear your voice. The whole world.
Hey, actually, I'm her manager and the DJ too. Thank you very much. You see, I have big plans for us. International tours, royalties and everything.
The amount of people who are better at what I do, rounded off to a whole number and expressed as a percentage of the population, is zero. Take it, my offer.
Which is?
What do you want?
We want 500,000. No, 1 million. 1 million, and then we'll record the album before tax.
Let's calm down. She means after
Hey, ngazi kahle sinqondo kutheni ukhuluma ni wena.
It's her first time doing this. Ndone, why ungambuza uthi alifoni nekhofi?
Umbuzi ngani wena? Mbuze wena.
It's fine, thank you. Is it in Bali?
Yes.
Let's talk.
Yes.
Hey, no. Hey wena, mtshela ukuthi mina manager yakho.
Did you call?
What do you think?
So that's it.
That was it.
What about the phone?
What phone?
You don't know what was on the phone?
I went to buy a car.
You know, it's interesting. Did you know he was found dead this morning? in his car.
Who?
Who do you think?
If this is about a murder investigation, we'll have to do it through my lawyer. And next time, meet me at my office during office hours. This is my home.
Mseshi,
Dlamini,
ngithi ngik-update ngaleya ndaba. Ngiphe kwayo.
hayi sibonge Dlamini. Kuhamba kanjani?
Sobona ngihamba kwesikhathi.
Okay.
Ngidinga usizo lwakho la.
Ndoda, if you want to say something, khuluma.
I don't want you anywhere near my home. Uma ufuna sihlangane sowenza la.
Come on, man. I covered for you. Comrade to come.
Hey, asiyo ama-comrade. Ungiblackmailer.
Yabani. Khuluma noba kanjalo. As if there's something also happening.
Come near my home. Come near my wife. Now uzoyithola iphoseke emfuleni. You understand?
Smaku masikhonkotha. This doesn't bother me. You know what bothers me? Ukuthi iphoyisa elincane njengawe liyaretire bese li-afforda loya musa.
Zakwethu emaphoyiseni wangifundisa yonke into engiyaziyo. Wathi umehluko phakathi ko-number 1 no-number 2 ukuthi u-number 1 wazi ukuthi u-number 2 usabani.
Mfana,
Ngikuphindele.
angazi lutho bra, angazi nix.
Angifuni ukuthi angiphange i-chance. Ubalo.
Uthathwana ukhuluma ngawo. Ngoba ngiyasho lokhu ngikhuluma iqiniso kaJehova. Yini enye uyifunayo?
Zokuqinisa leli khandlana lakho la emanzini. Bada ngeke ngiyazi CPR.
Bego best wakho lo. Una best wakho lo. Okay. Ngiyafuna ukuqiniso ne. Ngiyafuna ukuqiniso. Vela ayiseke indaba la kimi. Ngoba ngathi isikhathi eside emhlukumeza ngazi ukuthi uyamhlukumeza uyamshaya kodwa ngathula. Isikhathi sami leso manje ngenza into elungile. Okay, uyaziswa ke manje. Ngiyamazi. Uqashe kwami ngizoma ukukhombisa.
Whoa. Yazi uyangibona. Ngifuna ukukhuluma.
Maliam.
Uphilelani kanje? Where's your dignity?
Ukuthi ngiphila kanjani akuhlangene nawe lokho.
Iphi phone. Lupho ucingo. Iphi phone.
Ima. Bengisebenza kwamanye ama-B&B. Ngiklina. Ngathola indlela yokwenza imali ngokusheshsha. Ngangena-access to ama-client. Owandilekene bene-access to ama-supplier. Njalo ngesonto kwenyanga ezintathu besicollect imali yethu.
Like clockwork. Ngo-12, u-1 uzoreceiva i-order ngefoni. Ngo-2, ngihambe ngemsebenzini yokwenza i-delivery. Khona into off la? Khona into off lana?
Oh, sorry. Ngiyaqolisa ukuba late ne. Ukuringa ivani nabafethu ithi ngiplayela strong.
Wandile, angeke ngize ngisebenzele mina la.
Indoda, awuboni isikhathi sihambile manje. Khona ungitshela. Usiphethe istaff.
Hi. My name is Tam.
Hayi. Yazini, this is Umbali, my beautiful wife, indoni yamanzi. Baby, uTham lo engahlangana naye kwaLuki.
Otham, ikhona mhlambe i-discount ngichithela isikhathi?
Uyabona sister, lokho kuzodepend ukuthi nina nishangane.
Lalela, ngizodinga 50 gram flour, greenhouse or indoor. Phinde futhi unginikeze i-rock, Peruvian gold, umgwinya. Iketemane wazongitholela ne-15 gram MDMA. Sezwana ngathi?
Don't talk, just listen. I'm a lawyer, and I don't care if you're a drug dealer. The law does, and that's what I have on you. But I'm willing to help you, if you will help me. Are you willing to help me?
You owe me money.
I'm offering you a job.
I never say no.
All you gotta do using this form is create an online profile. Post it this Saturday, wait for 24 hours, delete the post, the account, and the pictures.
I don't want to be involved in your bribes or corruption.
I wasn't asking. I'll just be polite.
Done. Azisha.
Got ketamine, hydrochloride, methacatinone and crystallized methamphetamine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Azisha. What was up, baby?
I'm chasing her away. I'm chasing that's just something I'm chasing the
Hello?
Mawanda! Batile! Mbali! What? Usefile. No! What?
Ushiya indoda yakho yopha. Wabaleka nephara.
Bese shonile.
Ngimfice mina emotweni yakhe nommesa sifubeni. Bathi ushonele khona ngakusasa.
Ilwa advocate lana uDepu uyena umuntu ombulela akusimina mina ngazi lutho. Uyena umuntu ombulele. Uyena umuntu owazi indaba zalama video ayikho into engiyaziyo mina ayikho into engiyaziyo.
Ama video. Mapha ama video.
Ngakusiza?
Umseshu Lwandle Duma. I'm with South African Police. Crime Intelligence. Ngingangena.
Ngalesi sikhathi? I don't think so.
Unfortunately, kaphuthuma nkosazana.
Yini ephuthumayo?
Do you mind if ngena ngaphakathi sixoxe?
Mseshi uDuma. Umyeni wami uzobuya kusasa. Okay?
Actually ngifuna wena ngqo. Nkosazana. Kuna something angiphethe la kungenza ube ufakazi lo.
Ufakazi wani? Ufunani kahle kahle?
Imibuzwanyana nje emibili emithathu. Okumele uyiphendule bese ngihamba.
Lalela bhuti. Angazi ukuthi ubani lo, futhi angazi nanokuthi wenzani. Kodwa mangabe khona ngikutholayo, you'll be the first person I call.
My name is Ahmad Khan. I'm fine. Please do what they say. Save my life. Please give them what they want. My name is Miriam Ann Winbridge. I've been kidnapped from my hotel. Mom, Dad, if you're hearing this, please give them what they want.
In a minute. Indoda yakhe izofona. Ingitshela ukuthi siyenzile lento engithe ayenze. Kodwa ayibulalanga kuba ithanda ukubulala. Both of us, mina nawe, siyazi ukuthi amanga lawo. Ngizofuna ukuthi ungikhumbuzele yona ukuthi uma nje ingayenzanga lento engithe ayenze. Ngizoyikhombisa ukuba serious kwami ngawe. Ngayenza leyo nto Fumeni. Pendula.
Ngicela umkhiphe umyeni wami kuyona yonke lento.
Pendula.
Akenzanga lutho. Angifuni ukuthi kwenzeke anything to him. Ngenxa yokuthi angikwazi ukuthatha responsibility ngento eyenziwe yimina. I killed him.
Ubulelwa.
Wangithumela isithombe. Wangithumela ne-location. Nami-ke ngalola suku nganginendaba enkulu. Ilapho-ke kwenzeka khona.
Kwenzekeni?
Right, babe.
Kwenze njani?
Ngicela abantu ungithembise ukuthi
Ngiwe. Kwenzekeni?
There was a mistake, baby. Bengumnyama. Baby, bengi-excited ukuthi ngizokutshela.
Ukhe wasefront door lo. Ngilinde la, ngiyabuya.
Hawu, angihambi nawe yini?
Cha. Ubu-excited for in?
Can't wait.
Mina bengifuna ukukutshela ukuthi I quit. Ngasebenzisa ipackage yami to deposit la.
Mina bengifuna ukutshela ukuthi ngikhulelwe. And did I just kill someone?
I thought you said you're pregnant.
Yeah. Bengifuna ukujustify ukuthi angikho ready. Kube lula ukuthi ngithi no.
Usuqedile? Sengiyibulela ifoni.
Intombazane?
Ngeke ngikwazi, ngeke. Ngeke.
Baby.
Ngeke.
Vele wenze lento ayifunayo.
Sengiwe.
Bulale.
Hayibo, sengiwe.
Bulale manje.
Baby. Uphethe isibhamu nomuntu ngiyacela manje ngicela wenze lento ayifunayo.
So sorry. I'm so sorry.
Sasamezile. Bekumele ngabe kade sihambile.
No, you're alive and I'm alive, and that's all that matters.
Bula. Asihambe.
Hey. Kuze kubeni running until when? Huh? It's no way to raise a child, okay? I just need to stop Ulwandle and that's it.
You've done what he wanted. Asihambe.
You know I'll always come home, right? Hayibo, thank you. Thank you.
uphethe isibhamu lo muntu ngiyacela manje ngicela wenze lento ayifunayo.
I just saved your life.
Ungilibazile man.
Hamba la. Ungaphindi ubuye. Your life depends on it.
That's a lot that you said. Okay. I want to ask you a simple yes or no question. Did you drive your vehicle into the deceased, fatally wounding him?
Yes.
Mr. Delaney, I'm now placing you under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to legal representation. And you also have the right to notify your next of kin.
Hello?
You mean?
Babe, ukuphi?
Bengifuna ukukutshela ukuthi ngiboshiwe.
Ubosh. For what?
For the accident and all that.
But I thought... Tula, what are you doing?
It's the only way to keep us safe.
But you promised.
Uzosibulala loya muntu.
You promised we'd do this together. You promised you'll always come home.
And ngiyeza. After 3 to 5 years, ngiyeza. Because you promised you'd wait for me. Uyakhumbula?
Angeke mina ngikhulisa ingane for is 3 to 5 years ngingedwa. Tula, that's not what we agreed.
Well, sensenzileke isinqumo. Wena ukhulelwe. This is the right thing to do.
Lalela, I love you. But I'm not gonna be a single parent.
Hlengiwe. Hawu Hlengiwe. Wehlengiwe mfana wami.